Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting and very simple topic, that is Introduction to Climate and Changes in Weather. Now let us first understand what do we mean when we say climate. Students, climate is a long-term predominant condition of the atmosphere and weather is atmospheric condition at a particular place and time. Basically students, what changes very quickly and can change every other day is the weather, not the climate. Whereas climate is something which remains constant for a very long duration. Moving on students, now let us see certain factors which are related to climate and weather. Firstly, we have the atmospheric pressure. Students, normal atmospheric pressure is 1 atmosphere and this pressure goes on decreasing as the altitude increases. It also goes on increasing as the altitude decreases. That is the reason students, when you go to a hilly area, the atmospheric pressure is less and therefore the amount of oxygen is also less in the environment. This influences the type of climate and weather in that particular region. Next we have sunlight. I don't think I need to tell you students that if the amount of sunlight and the intensity of sunlight is very high, then the temperature also will be higher. Next we have visibility. This depends upon the quality of the air. Sometimes there is fog in the air which reduces the visibility. But sometimes due to human activities like pollution, there is something known as smog, which is a mixture of smoke and fog which reduces the visibility. This is also another factor which affects the climate and the weather. Next we have clouds. As you know, clouds lead to rain. So they are also one of the factors which affect weather as well as climate. Next we have the humidity, meaning the amount of moisture present in the air.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.